How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you the best graphics settings for Geometry Dash, monitor, and in-game. So basically, of course, the first thing that you want to do, if you want to run Geometry Dash smoothly, you could just try closing out background applications in order for Geometry Dash to run with much allocated resources. So maybe you have something like Discord, YouTube, Spotify open on the background. Just close them up to get Geometry Dash running. From there, you want to click on the gear icon, which will then take us to the main setting. Click graphics, and we have the texture quality. So depending on your style, you could set if you want full screen, borderless, and fix. In my case, I'm fine with this one. And then the only thing that you need to do or change is going to be the texture quality. Now, basically with this one, if your device supports or can launch the game smoothly on the high graphics, then of course the best setting is going to be high. But if your device is struggling, I suggest choosing somewhere between medium and low. So you just want to go ahead and feel free to experiment whether you are experiencing lags, stuttering, and more. If that happens, you could try lowering down to medium. And if you experience the same thing on medium, you then want to try low. Head over to advanced, and in here, I suggest clicking on the smooth FPS. Click on the vertical sync. And then from here, you want to disable unlock FPS. And basically, this enables the game to run smoothly without stuttering. And now this is going to be the best setting for Geometry Dash. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.